Hi, hello there. So guys, I want to show you one of the software solutions that we are building for as a CAD extensions. This will be collection of the applications that will serve as a drafting help solutions for the data extraction from the point cloud and reality data, from the ortophotos, imagery data, 360 panoramas, street view imagery, and so on and so on. So let's dive in the first application. This is the we call it xPixel portal, and the interface of this application is the following Autodesk style of the applications with a ribbon interface. So this application is up here, and the first thing that we need to do in order to use this application and the data as a pixel data sources is to set reference set source coordinate system. So for example, if you have the data collected with the drone, let's say you did the aerial survey with the LiDAR DJI 300 L1 or L2, doesn't matter, any other data source actually that has built-in coordinates, we can import this data to CAD directly using this application. So this will serve as a reference data for you and for the drafters to much easier extract the CAD drafts from the point clouds and the reality data. So let's set first source coordinate system, and in majority cases it's a WGS84 coordinate system. So we also support for now a file-based PRG, but we will build in, and there is the plan to build database of the coordinate system that will be able to use as a input coordinate system, but majority of this data will come as a WGS84. So let's set it as a WGS84. So this data source is coordinate system is set as a CAD in the CAD file itself. So there is no need for some extra files, and it will be much easier and much more maintainable for you to use. So the next step is to set CAD project coordinate system or Autodesk target coordinate system, and we decide to go with the Autodesk database because it's already built in, and you can use also the base imagery from Autodesk. So in this case, this is the project that I want to show is based in Bosnia. So let's do Bosnia. And this is, as I know, it's Bosnia 6M scale 0.49. So let's do assignment of this project-based coordinate system or Autodesk CAD coordinate system. So next thing is to import this data from our disk. So you go to import geo-tagged photos, and let's do small subset, and I will show you full project because this is a very large project. Let's do something like this, and the data will be imported, and you will be automatically zoomed in to location where this data is located. So what I was telling you is actually this part, because when you set the coordinate system for the Autodesk DWG or DXF files, you get this geolocation contextual menu ribbon. So this ribbon is actually based off just few functionalities, and one of this is to turn on base imagery data. In this case, I just turn on Esri imagery, but as you can see, it's interconnected between the AutoCAD coordinate system and the coordinate system of the data that I imported. So let me show you the full project. Actually, it's here, so you can see. I will first turn off. Let me first turn off imagery because it's large. So this is the project. It's approximately 40 kilometers. So let's zoom somewhere here, for example. Or actually, it's better to do zoom somewhere here. this is actually near the city of Mrkonjić. So let's turn on the, once again, as the imagery data, and you will see as the drone flew over this intersection, you have collected the imagery data, and you can see this is the simple plain block, but it's not just a simple plain block. It collected and imported all EXIF data from this image to CAD. So one of the functionalities that we can do, it's actually open externally, as there is a hyperlink to this block reference, and hyperlink is referencing the imagery data on the disk. So doing the control click, you will get, I have a second screen, so you will get this imagery here. So you can zoom and see what is on the site, and you can decide what to extract and do CAD digitalization and CAD extraction from the point cloud, or even from the orthophoto. But this is the raw photo from the drone, and you can see all the elements that are on this location in this site. So the next functionality is actually, it's much more important, because usually you will not use this external photo viewer, but you will use internal panels for this application. So let me turn on photo panel for this, and because there is like around 4,000 images in this case, it will take some time to load. We are doing some improvements for the loading, but soon it will be much faster. So it's basically the same. You can zoom, drag and drop, and you can list between the images. This is the panel that is dockable. You can dock the panel, you can drag it, and basically use it anywhere. You can of course resize. I'm just trying to resize it. This is the smallest size, and you can increase. There is another functionality. It's actually on the right click, and you can do zoom to image, and it will zoom directly to this image. You can select it, and there is also option to flash image if you don't know where it is. So image is flashing. The next function is to import. Because I have only one photo, 360 photo. Let me find once again this intersection. It's here. So the next functionality is to import 360 panoramas, and these panoramas can be collected on any 360 camera that has capability to sync the GPS location and imagery data. So basically any Insta360 or any even more modern cameras can be used. You can attach it on the car, on the bike, or anything, and use it as a reference. So let us import this image, and I have only one example for you today, and this is imported here. It's a different symbol, but it's the same procedure. You have also metadata from it, you have coordinates, and so on and so on. So you can open externally, but also we built in 360 photo panel. So you can see this is and you can extract data, see what is on the site. There is a curbstone, there is a pool, and so on and so on. So the third option for now that we built in, it's actually 360 panel. And currently on this version of the application, I don't have a capability to zoom on the location. It's built in already, and there is also additional improvements where you will be able to load up to 4 360 street views, because in some cases you want to see from two locations the same place, or maybe even from 4, and this will be a maximum. But for now, let me just show you how it's loaded externally. So you click and go on Google to show this image. It show me on in another place. So let's say, for example, we are here, and then you will be able to use Google Street View here directly, and also in the panel. the point of this is also the same. For example, you don't see it from the LiDAR data. You don't see where is the start of the curbstone, where is the end of the curbstone. So you just navigate through 360 images, and you see the start is here, and then you can draft it in the CAD directly. Some other functionality that we are planning to build is the following. It's actually photo manipulation tools. Some of them you already built in. 360 panoramas will be reflected to street views and vice versa. We are planning to build the project-based solution that will be data extraction, data manipulation. The next option also will be in data view options. When you, for example, navigate near one of the images, it will automatically show this image in the photo panel, and so on and so on. So I want to conclude here with a few more options, and this is one of the most important, I think, for you and for us, and this is the connection between and the engagement between you as a client and us as a developer for these applications. So this will be slightly different in the next version of application, because we are planning to move engagement panel to the deck panel. That will be the main hub for all applications. But what is important here to mention now, it's actually you will be able to request live remote help. So if you are stuck in some moment of the drafting and you just want to quick help, direct help from us, you will be able to request this one. Hopefully it will be 24/7, but for the start probably not. But in the next months we are planning to have this as an option. Then you will be able to contact us via WhatsApp, suggest improvements, go to our website, go to community and forums that we are building, go to our social media, and you will be able to, probably most important, go to Learning Center. When you purchase the subscription for this application, you will be able to go to training materials that we are preparing for you. So yeah, this is it for now. I hope you will follow us on our social media accounts. You will share your thoughts, and even if ideas, if you have, they will help us a lot. We will share soon trial version for the demo testers. We have already some clients that are willing to test for us this application and share their information about this one, and report problems, suggest improvements, and so on. And once again, thank you for watching this video, and see you soon.